Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
It's not a girl that's putting lips. Oh my gosh. Go, come on! It's green! Keep moving! Move on! Keep moving!
Okay, I'll sit here. Go.
Go ahead, stay stand! Go stand! You ran across the fucking green light! You ran across the green light, asshole! Yeah, you too, right?
You're spending all your money on gas and repairs.
Well, they have a Jersey Giant. Holy crap.
What? Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the asshole? You!
Here. And so like everyone else is kind of, you know how it is in that room? Yeah. It's like raised up and I was like someone's weird handicapped grandma where I was just in a chair in the aisle like in the fire right here. Yeah, exactly.
What are you doing?
So the show starts, the lights go down and they put up
What are you doing?
Screen of the Golden Girls.
Go! What are you doing?
And everybody starts singing.
Jesus Christ.
No, everyone starts singing the theme song together.
Idiot.
It's not quite the right word, but it would be a shock if you got a scoop of green ice cream and found out that it was actually orange flavored, like you took your. Yeah, I know the story and I kind of liked it. I knew like.
And how Evan spoke and how, and I was already in that place. And I remember kind of going like,
So just to clarify, you saw him when he was beside the window or
Yeah, great question.
Keep your eye on your phone.
They say Avenue.
What are you doing?
That reminds me. It's gone.
Continue on Pennsylvania Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
Daddy,
What?
we haven't played Dairy
Sarah's still here?
in a long time.
Why? Just had a few follow-up questions about the investigation. You're such a bad liar. Just left 5 minutes
Why
ago.
did they stop it open?
Really? Because he's...
you fucking moron, you turned into the wrong lane.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Look at that.
And hello? Oh,
Hello.
Christ.
You okay?
所有的减肥方法，它在少吃面前啊，不值得一提。你会发现，
What are you doing, dumbass? What are you doing? Holy shit, did you just hit me? You hit me? Pull over, motherfucker. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.